Today we'll see room and area, right, in Revit architecture, how we can use room and area as well. Let's see how we can use them in our drawing. Let's create a drawing and we want to calculate like how it's working, and you should to know what is the area and what is parameters and what is volume as well. So I will just create a room. For example, I will make a wall here, and let's create 2 or 3 rooms here, right? And then you have some openings, all right? So you can also show some open. So this will be the open area we have here, right? Okay, let's see how it will work. So you need to find out the area, volume, parameters of this. So you need to click on the room tag here, right? Easy. Just click on it. So when you will click, so it will give you the room tag along with the room placement. Okay, tag on placement, it will show you also. If you don't want to place the tag, then you can uncheck this one as well. So it will be used only for the calculation purpose, right? Or in the schedule if you want to use it. So I want to place tag also because you want to write also. Just click here and click over it. So as you click, it will identify the boundaries itself, and it will place a tag along with the measurement as well. Here also, this is the kitchen. You can also click here, so it will be placed automatically here as well. But if you will try here, because it's in open area, right? So you cannot place room tag because it's need a closed boundary, right? So we'll see also how we can place here to calculate. Let's see once you placed all right. So if you click on it, so look at the property. It will show you here area we have 373 square feet, right? Because we are working in feet and inches, and perimeter also 77, right? Area, we know that length multiplied by width is equal to area. What is perimeters? Perimeters means the distance around the side, all right? So it means you have like 20 feet here, 20 feet here, 20 feet, 20 feet, right? When you will calculate all that, you will get the perimeter, right? So it will show you. So perimeters means the distance around the boundary, which you will plus, that will be perimeters. And volume is not computed when not calculated, all right? So it's not calculating the volume over here. So how you can make sure it's calculate volume as well if you want to say, then you need to go architecture. So room and area, under room and area, you need to click area and volume computation, right? You need to click here, then from here, now it's calculating only area, which is faster, right? When you click, it will calculate, because when you have complicated drawing, the ceilings are involved, then there will be a difficulty to calculate the volume as well together. That's why it's saying it's a faster way to calculate only area. There will not be any confusion for Revit. But area and volume, if you click, then it will calculate also the volume. All right. If you click here, right, volume, you know that we have like 3 values here. Now it will show you the volume also here, right? So if you want to see that all things, you can also calculate that one. So here we have room and here. So now it's time to rename them. If you want to rename them, just click here, right? Double click so you can rename here, right? For example, this is bedroom, right? Number, if you don't want to show, we can hide them also, right? Just here. So this is, for example, kitchen. You can just write it here. All right. Now, what you want to show here, right? You can edit this room tag as well. So click here, right? So first of all, we have here, it will show you it's a room 1, right? You can drop down, all right? So I will click here on the tag, right? You need to click on the tag, and here edit type, it's a room tag, it will show you. Just click on drop down, and here you can change it, room tag type. So here room tag with the area, when you click here, it will show you room tag with area, and also when you click room tag with the volume, so it will be showing like that. If you want to more customize it, just click edit type of the room tag, alright? And show volume, what you want to show, you can just check from here. I want to show area only, just apply and click OK. So it will show you only the area of that tag, alright? So same here, if you want to show, you can also show from here as well, right? If you don't want to show the tag, you want to, for example, you want to change here, you can directly type something here as well. If you want to change the distance, for example, now you can see the bedroom and this distance is not like, you want to make them some closure. So it's a room tag, it's a family, right? So you need to edit family. So you need to click on the room tag, right? Then you need to go edit family, right? Make sure room tag is selected, then go to edit family. So it will take you to the family editor, right? So here you can change everything if you want to change. So here you can see we have volume and we have area and the number as well, right? So you can fix the distance between them like that, all right? And also if you want to edit, you want to change the font and you want to alignment, you can just, for example, click here, go to edit type. So here you can change the size, you can change the text color, whatever the things you want to change, you can change from here inside the family, right? I don't want to show the number at all, so you can delete that label, and also this will be the area only you want to show. In case of the volume you want to show, you can just bring it up, right? So now they will be closer. Just load into the project and then it will be loaded and exist override. Right now you see they are much closer, right? I guess I need to change make them a little bit smaller. All right, when you click here, you have also, you need to, it's a room tag. All right, so it will show you everything. I need to click on the tag. So it will be edit type, and here you can go. And I don't want to show number here. I want to show area. So it will show me the area of the room as well. Yeah, it's fine. Now you can see, right? All right, now what I want to do, I want to calculate the area of this open space also. If you want to calculate the area for open space, then you have to make a room separator, right? So you need to go architecture again. So here we have room separator, right? So room separator will tell Revit, I want to like consider this one also as a room boundary, right? So I need to just extend a little bit this wall, right? So it should, so that it should be equal. So like that. All right. So now go to the room separator and just make a line from here only, and it will be invisible. Don't worry. Okay, it will not be part of your drawing. So this is room separator. Now if you will go to the room tag, and you will see it will calculate like that. So this one also you can just click and you can just place this one, and here you can just write open, right, or the sitting space or whatever you want to give the name, you can give it. So that's how you can use a room separator. And one thing also, you will face some problem when it comes to the area. So for example, let's think you have some boundary wall inside a bedroom, right, or inside any. So for example, this wall you have for some purpose, right? So this wall, look, as I draw a wall, the area has been reduced, right? Because it's not calculating, it's not calculating the boundary of the wall. So it's calculating outside of the wall, right? So what I want, we don't want to calculate it. So we don't want to consider this wall in this area, all right? So what we have to do, we have to change one little property of it. Just select this wall if you don't want to calculate in the room, and come down here in the properties, and here we have room bounding. Just you need to uncheck this one, then it will not be calculated. Low, it's increased, right? The area itself will increase. And here also go and just room bounding. So the things which you don't want to Revit to calculate, then just check its property, go to room bounding and just uncheck this value. As I uncheck, look, it's become the same thing. All right. If you want to see the room boundaries, like which is my area boundary, right, which is like Revit is calculating and which is not calculating. So when you are clicking on room, so here will be the highlight room boundaries. When you click here, then it will show you all the boundaries, and here you can see room bounding elements are highlighted. So now you can see these red lines, all right, so they are highlighting the boundary. If I will select this wall and I will go to room bounding. Okay, click here, and also I will check this room bounding. Now you will see the bounding highlights will change. You go to here and click room bounding. Now you can see this wall is also considered as a boundary. That's why it's not calculating. So what you have to do, you have to just uncheck. So you can check also which are the boundaries the Revit is calculating with this, and you can check this one. All right. Now the second thing is I want to assign the color theme for the colors for different room tags, right? I will just uncheck this one and just this one and select uncheck this room boundary. Now it's time to assign color theme. Maybe you want to assign bedroom a particular color and also kitchen. So same here in room tag, you need to go room and area and click on color scheme, right? When you click here, so here you can assign your color scheme. Now which category you assign colors? So now it's a spaces. I don't want to assign spaces. I want to assign from here. You can choose the category where you want to assign. I want to assign color theme to room category. Because room, I told you it's also a category. And just click here. Now it's automatically assigned. You can assign, it's visible, so we can see we have three tags now. We have bedroom, kitchen and open. Want to change color, you can change color, any color you want to give from here, you can just give that color to that particular room, right? Also, if you want to fill some pattern, you can fill also some pattern, so it will be pattern will be filled inside as well, right? If you want to show this one, just apply and click OK. Okay, now what I want to do, I want to assign the meanings of the colors as well, right? So then it will be like it will show here as well. So to assign, we have to go to the legends, like there is a color legends which are used to give the like detail for the colors, right? I want to write about the colors. So for that purpose, you need to go annotate, all right? In annotate, we have here color fill legend, right? Color fill legend, you need to click here. So you need to click once, all right? Take that and click to once. Then it will ask you which type you want to assign, right? So space type we have here. So I will go to the rooms, all right? And color theme, we have this one. It's already by defined. You can use this one name, all right? Click OK. Now you will see the color which we have assigned earlier. It's visible here as well. And also we have room legends. Bedroom is this color and kitchen and open this color as well. If you want to change the color theme again, just click on it and it will be edit scheme. Maybe you want to change again color of the bedroom, and here you can go again and just change the color. So it will change the color again like that, right? So it will be applicable. So you can use like that as you will update, and you can see it's updated here as well. Maybe you don't want to write a name here and you want to write only the area, right? To show the like this pink color represent the area, square feet. So here the color, if you undergo here, so here you can see, you can choose the number, all right, the area as well. Before I have selected name, just go to the area, click OK and apply. Look at this. So it will show me the area with the before color theme. But if you select here again, if you come back and if you go to the name, so it will change my color theme as well. Colors are not preserved. Okay, no problem. So click OK. So it will change as well. So you can change from here if you wanted to. Same here, if you want to change number, occupancy, the department, anything you want to show, you can show from here if you wanted to. Alright, just click OK. So here we have. I will change back to the area on the name. I will go for the name. Alright, and then click OK. So apply. So it will show me the name. Later, if you want to delete that tag, you can delete also. Look, alright, select the tag and you can delete like that. Now also it will represent like this. So it's a bedroom or even like this you want it. So in legends, if you go to edit theme and here we have type room legends, you can change the title as well if you wanted to. Alright, room legends, the colors, for example, like that. And here also you can name area I want to show, for example, and here will be apply and it will be like that, right? So you can customize as you want, right? These legends you can use in the schedule as well. Why we use room tags? To calculate the area and also how many rooms we have used, right? How many rooms we have, how many spaces we have. So when you will go to the quantity or schedule, right click, new quantity and schedule, alright. Then here you will choose architecture and you will go to the rooms, right? So here we have rooms. So here, right? So click OK. So here you can select what you want to calculate. I want to calculate the area of the room. Click here and also count how many rooms on which floor I have. It will count as well. The name, of course, I want, right? Number I don't want. If you want volume, you want volume as well. If it's calculated, parameters, if you want, you can also take this one, right? And this is all about if you want to do save ceiling finish. If you want to, you can also add this one. You can change the value up and down from here. Just click OK. So new sketch wall will be created. And here you can see area, the count, we have only one, and also we have, right? So that's how we can create the room and how we can create the schedule from this and how we can use the legends, right? Here we have the area as well, right? Room are faster and more useful. The area will calculate only the area, which is the provided boundary only, right? So less people use this one. If you wanted to use, you can use as well, right? Creates an area defined by the walls and boundary. But if you go to the room, it will show you creates a room bounded by a model elements such as wall, floors, and ceiling. So this room tag is more detailed than area one, right? Yeah. So same purpose we can get also from here. But if you want only to focus on the boundary you have and you want to calculate area only, then you can go this tag as well. It's also simple. Yeah. Right. So it will calculate automatic boundary and you can go with that as well. So this is about the room tags, right? And I guess now your sheets will be completed. So whatever project you are doing, you can just place the room tags and also assign the legends as well and include them into your sheet.